How to get your Yahoo account back after it's been hacked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Yahoo account back after it's been hacked. To recover your account, first go to Yahoo's sign-in helper in any web browser. In the text box, type the phone number or recovery email address for your account. Click Yes, text me an account key for a phone number, or Yes, account key for a recovery email. Next, type the 8-character verification code you retrieved into the text box on the page. If you have multiple Yahoo accounts, then click the one you want to recover. To secure your account on mobile, tap the Y icon at the top right corner. A menu will expand. Now tap Manage Accounts near the top of the pop-out menu. Here, tap Account Info and then tap Recent Activity near the bottom of the screen. If prompted to enter your password, do so before proceeding. After that, tap View All Recent Activities. You can tap Change Your Password above the list and follow the on-screen instructions. Once changed, anywhere you were signed in before will be logged out. Then tap the back button and select Security. This takes you to additional security settings. Next, tap Turn On under two-step verification and select a verification method. You can receive your sign-in codes as a push notification in Yahoo Mail. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're no longer on the Security tab, tap the back button, then select Security to return there. Scroll down to the Verification Methods section and make any needed changes. After securing your account, go through your Yahoo Mail settings to ensure nothing looks out. To access your settings, tap the Y menu and select Settings. To secure your account on desktop, click your profile icon in Yahoo Mail. Next, click Account Info and then click Review Recent Activity. Here, review your recently signed in locations. You can click Change Your Password above the sign-in list and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. After that, click the Security tab and turn on two-step verification. You need to select a verification method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Here, check your recovery email and phone number information. If you see any unfamiliar email addresses or numbers, click Remove to remove them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.